Welcome to Basin Head. Basin Head is a marine protected area that was designated in 2005 to protect what is called the giant Irish moss, as well as the whole ecosystem here. Basin Head was designated as a marine protected area because the giant Irish moss is only found here in Basin Head, hasn't been documented anywhere else in the world. An MPA, or a marine protected area, is a marine or estuarine space that is protecting a specific species or a habitat. Not only are we trying to protect the Irish moss, but these Irish moss clumps with the blue mussels provide habitat for fish species. To cultivate the Irish moss, it's a bit of a process. First, we're combining our Irish moss and our blue mussels together in a little bag. These are our blue mussels here. They're given to us by PEI mussel farmers. Today, we'll be taking approximately 20 of the blue mussels and combining it with a small palmful of Irish moss into these little onion bags. Second, we're going to hang those bags up onto our cultivation line. After a few days, the byssal threads of the blue mussels will combine with the Irish moss and the other mussels and form a solid clump-like structure. After we take bags off the line, we'll take those clumps out of the bags and put them into the estuary and hopefully raise up the Irish moss population. In the 80s, there used to be some harvesting here and would take it in pieces, leaving it more vulnerable. By 2014, we started to do some active restoration. Today, I believe we're approximately 180 meters squared, up from 2 meters squared.
This helps the ecosystem. We're adding more Irish moss into the system. That in turn gives cover for fish as well as other species.
When you look at our Indigenous worldview, you know that we are and feel responsible as caretakers, and we have to take the knowledge and the wisdom that came before us to help make sure that we are doing our part to look after the future. The sand sings as you walk along it. I feel that it is really the voices of the ancestors sort of whispering their love and guidance and energy as you walk along that shore.
Right now we're working on developing and delivering a tour of the MPA to talk a little bit about protected species that are here, to raise awareness and to kind of link that into the interpretation that we're doing at the museum.
A lot of people have never heard of a marine protected area before, but we like to take them to the kiosk and show them what that's all about. And they're very interested in what we're protecting here.
So ultimately, by doing this active restoration, we're trying to build up the habitat and keep the estuary healthy. We're making really good progress.
We realize that we are gaining so many allies so that we know those future generations will be able to enjoy it as well.